Welcome to Math Globe, Karnataka Board, Class 10, Lesson Constructions, Exercise 6.1, Question 2. Construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a line segment AB of length 6 cm. Step 2. With A as center and radius 4 cm, draw an arc. So, take the compass on the scale, measure radius 4 cm with A as center and radius 4 cm, draw an arc. Step 3. With B as center and radius 5 cm, draw an arc. So here keep the compass on the scale, extend up to 5 cm radius. With B has center and radius 5 cm, draw an arc. Intersecting the arc drawn earlier, mark it as C. Join AC and BC to obtain the required triangle ABC. So here AC measures 4 cm, BC measures 5 cm to obtain the required triangle AB and C. Step 5. Mark an acute angle CAX taking CA as an arm. Step 6. Mark 3 points A1, A2, A3 on AX such that AA1 is equal to AA2 is equal to AA3. Since they have asked 2/3 of the corresponding sides, the denominator is 3, so we have cut 3 arcs. Now, step 7, join A3B. Step 8, from A2 we have to draw parallel line parallel to A3B. For that, with keeping the compass tip on A3, that is taking the center as A3, we are drawing an angle at A3 without changing the radius, without changing the compass measurement. Now keep the compass tip on A2, taking the center as A2, draw an arc. We are keeping the compass tip on A2. We are taking the center as A2 because the numerator here is 2. Now, extend the compass, measure the arc length by extending the compass, and then fix the compass. In the same measurement, cut the arc which is drawn at A2 by taking the center as A2. Cut the arc to the initially cut arc, intersecting the initially cut arc. A point is obtained. Now, next step, join A2 and the point obtained, and then extend A2 to meet AB at point B dash. So we get the line A2B dash, which is parallel to A3B. Next, take the compass and take B as center and draw an angle, draw an arc such that it forms an angle at vertex B without changing the compass length, keeping the same radius. Now, taking B dash as the center, cut an arc. Now measure the arc length at where the arc was cut at B. Measure the arc length by extending or by adjusting the compass. Fix the compass without changing the compass length. Take the same arc length and cut the arc which was drawn by taking B dash as the center, so that the arc intersect the initially cut arc. You get a point there. Step 9. From B dash, join the point and extend the line such that B dash C dash is parallel to CB, meeting AC at C dash. Thus, you see that a triangle is obtained, a new triangle is obtained. You can see the blue length there. So, AC and AC dash and B dash is the new triangle obtained, whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of triangle, the big triangle ABC. So naming is not done there, so just name the point there. B dash here and C dash on C, on AC, C dash on AC. So you can see the new triangle obtained, the blue triangle AC dash B dash is similar to the big triangle ACB, and the triangle obtained, the new triangle obtained AC dash B dash, whose sides are 2 by third of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Justification: triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AB dash C dash. B dash C dash is parallel to BC according to basic proportionality theorem. AC dash divided by AC is equal to AB dash divided by AB is equal to B dash C dash divided by BC. Similarly, triangle AA2 B dash is congruent to triangle AA3B. According to BPT, we have AB dash divided by AB is equal to AA2 divided by AA3. So according to BPT, we have AC dash divided by AC is equal to AB dash divided by AB is equal to B dash C dash divided by BC. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.